Even the shortest hike can be adventurous. The Morakniv Kansbol with Survival Kit has everything you need, optimized for your survival skills, and always ready for sudden challenges. The 2.5mm thick blade is made of Swedish stainless steel and has a profile grind for increased precision. The spine is ground to a 90-degree sharp angle, making it compatible with the Firestarter. Use the integrated Firestarter that is attached to the survival kit and make a campfire with ease. Remember to take care of your knife. Sharpen the blade on the integrated diamond sharpener when in need. Kansbol with Survival Kit will enrich your outdoor experience.
We were not meant for dividers and boundaries. We were meant to explore. We are driven to roam the unknown.
We set out for a better way to camp, A camp where setup is easy, gear is organized, and fumbling with knots is a thing of the past. Introducing the Campline Kit. Whether you're camping in a tent, RV, or hammock, this lightweight kit brings organization and ease to camp life. It includes 2 lightweight camp carabiners, reflective paracord, 2 line tensioners, and easy-to-follow instructions. With a couple of trees or car racks, anybody can hang and tension a camp line. Simply tie a figure 8 knot and pull the cord through the slots as numbered. Repeat with the other side and slide the tensioners until the line is taut. Hang gear and keep it from sliding with the camp carabiner. It attaches with a simple twist and is anchored in place once you hang an item. Use it with backpacks and lanterns or dry towels, clothes, and boots. Within minutes, you'll have a fully functional camp line that you can also use at home. We also built in an electronics attachment. Simply remove the paracord adapter and hang compatible lights and speakers. Next time you go camping, hang a line, organize your gear, and get on to the fun part. Make camp life better with the Campline Kit.
We're excited to introduce you to the Hoplite Parachute Duffel Bag. It's the weekend, and you're finally getting around to packing for that camping trip you've been planning for weeks. So you need a bag that stores all your gear and will keep your belongings protected no matter the weather. These parachute bags are weatherproof, heavy-duty bags built to hold your gear, household essentials, clothes, or other items without you having to worry about capacity or durability. They're rugged, stylish bags made from 100% premium cotton canvas. So wherever you take them, whether it's the office, the campsite, or the gym, you'll never look out of place. The 18-ounce double-fill heavyweight canvas construction of these parachute-style bags ensures that they will last for years, even after repeated use. The material is reinforced at stress points, so you can use these bags for any kind of rugged activity in the outdoors without the need to be too gentle. Military-grade zippers extend across the full length of the bag, so it's really easy to pack extra, bulky, or oversized items. You can pack all your things without really worrying about space, and still close the zipper without a struggle. You also have the option to lock these zippers, which is always a convenient option when traveling. When you're packed and ready to go, you can seal the bag with the help of the canvas storm flap and snap closure fastening system. This is another awesome way to ensure your gear stays protected from the elements. You'll find 2 carry handles at the top of these sleek parachute-style bags. The handles are super soft, but we don't compromise on the durability. So once your bag's packed, you can just grab it and go, even with heavy loads. This is especially useful if you're using the bag for storage or moving. The Hoplite Parachute Bag series comes in 5 colors: olive, blue, black, tan, and brown, and 1 spacious, versatile size option. They're super spacious, so you can use them as a gym bag, a weekender, for storage and moving, outdoor adventures, work, or anywhere else you need an option for easy storage. It also has a completely collapsible and flat folding storage design, so whenever you're done with it, you can put it away without worrying about the space it takes up. These parachute-style bags, just like all products from White Duck Outdoors, comes with free shipping and our White Duck warranty, so you can always purchase with confidence and count on us. Our team is available 24/7 over chat and email. So stop stressing about how to carry your gear, get your hands on a Hoplite parachute bag, and reconnect now.